Ungqongqoshe wezokuxhumana uthi lobu buchwepheshe besimanje buzokwenza impilo yabantu ibe lula kakhulu.
It's providing multiplicity of solutions in many problems that society is confronted with. Now that we are actually switching off here, allowing telcos to go on top of 694 megawatts, it means now they are able to move and manufacture their 5G and a number of other key enablers for many to access as much digital space as possible to do the best human beings are capable of doing.
I-Santech okuyinkampani edlulisa izinhlelo ezisakazwayo ichaze ngokubaluleka kwalolu hlelo lwezobuchwepheshe besimanje lwezokusakaza ngethelevishini i-DTT.
It's important because everybody in the country now has to get a digital receiver. And those who are unable to because of the fact that they cannot afford to pay for themselves, government has provided what we call sponsored or the subsidized set-top box for installations to be done for them, but they must register. So it's important that we're really moving out of analog completely.
Ngokusho kahulumeni lolu hlelo lubanjezelwa izingqinamba ezifana nohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi kanye nokuqaqana kwemizi yasezindaweni zasemakhaya. Umhla ka-31 kuZibandlela ka-2023 usuku lokugcina lokucisha uhlelo lwakudala lokusakaza olungaphansi kwa-694 MHz frequency.